Hello food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a mouth-watering tomato chicken that's sure to become a family favorite. So let's get cooking.
For this recipe, we'll need 1 kg of chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, whole garam masala, 2 big sized onions, 4 potatoes, 4 big sized tomatoes and green chilies.
Heat some mustard oil in a pan and add 1 pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Now carefully add the potatoes to the hot oil. Fry them until they are golden brown. Once our potatoes are perfectly fried, let's take them out and set them aside. Once the oil is hot, add the whole garam masala, which includes cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seeds and a bay leaf. Let them sizzle for a bit. Now add the sliced onions and saute until golden. Also add some green chilies. Next, add the raw chicken. Cook it until it's nicely browned on all sides. Then add 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Add salt to taste. It's time to add 4 big sized sliced tomatoes. Cover it until the tomato softens. Now it's time to add the fried potatoes. Give everything a good stir. Now add some warm water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Once the chicken and potatoes are cooked and the gravy has thickened, it's time for the final touch. Add some slit green chilies for an extra kick and sprinkle some garam masala powder. Give it a final stir. And there you have it, a delicious tomato chicken ready to be served. Serve this with some rice or naan for a complete meal. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!